Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIYer. I just got back from the doctor and I was told that I need to get my iodine levels up. Well, I do not like taking anything that is not naturally derived. So that's why we are going to look today at Superfood Science's Ocean Optima. What this is it is an actual supplement that is derived from Irish moss, which is harvested in the Atlantic Canada. And what it'll actually do is it will help with your energy levels, your overall vitality, and it has a really good source of iodine, along with iron, vitamin K, and quite a few other items. Matter of fact, there's 92 different nutrients in this supplement. So it will help with a wide range of things. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottle on this, because to me that's very important. Anytime I'm going to get anything, I hate plastic bottles because I just don't like plastic. I like glass. This is an all glass bottle. It's actually tinted so that it does not absorb the sunlight, which is a really good sign of a quality product. It does have a plastic lid though, but when you open up the lid, it is going to be sealed right here in the front, meaning that they have locked in the freshness, and it's also telling you no one has tampered with the product. Now we're going to break the seal in a second, try a couple of them and see if they're easy to swallow, how they actually look, how it smells. We'll check all that out in just a minute. Now keep in mind, this is a kosher, vegan type product. It is also going to be gluten-free. So the instructions are going to tell you can take 1 to 2 of these a day, and you get 90 capsules in the bottle, which means it's going to last you a solid 3 months if you're taking just 1 a day. If you decide you need to take 2, then you're going to go about a month and a half. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's like. So we're going to take the lid off. I'm going to take the little protective cover off, get it out of my way. And the first thing I'm going to do is kind of smell it. And it does have an interesting little smell. Not bad. I'm not sure if I can come up with something that actually describes what that smell is. It's kind of a minty smell, I guess you'd say. The capsules themselves are small. They're not very big, so they should be easy to swallow. I'm going to I'll tell you what, we're just going to try 1 for right now. Put the lid back. And I'm going to try a little and see how hard it is to swallow. Goes down extremely easy. And by the way, that's swallow, not swallow. I don't know why I said that. But there you go, guys. That simple, that quick. So overall, it looks like a great product. If I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I love the packaging. I love the natural sourcing. I love the fact there's 92 different nutrients in it, and I can get my iodine levels up naturally. So do yourself a favor and pick yourself up a bottle today, and we will see you guys on the next review.